Hey everyone, welcome back. So here's the thing, September's here and the crypto market feels like it's asleep. No fireworks, no breaking headlines, no sudden Fed bombshells, just a kind of heavy quiet. But here's where it gets interesting. That silence, it's a signal in itself. Let's start with the obvious. Historically, September is Bitcoin's worst month. Go back over a decade of data and you'll see the pattern. Average returns sit in the red, around minus 4 to 5%, and traders know this. It creates a self-fulfilling hesitation. Everyone waits for someone else to blink. That's why right now, instead of running, the market's stalling. But this isn't just about seasonal weakness. Analysts at K33 Research are pointing out that Bitcoin's hovering right in what they call a strategic buying zone, roughly between 94K and 101K. Think about that. While retail sees the silence and shrugs, institutions might be looking at this flat line as the perfect place to quietly stack. No hype, no headlines, just slow, patient accumulation. Meanwhile, the bulls aren't asleep, they're holding the line. Bitcoin's been consolidating above 110K, not breaking higher, but not breaking down either. That's defense mode. When markets go quiet like this, it's usually because traders are waiting for macro confirmation. A softer CPI print, a clearer Fed signal, maybe even geopolitical news, something to light the fuse. Until then, it's range-bound, low volume, and loaded with suspense. So, what does this silence really mean? It could go two ways. Scenario one, the September curse plays out, Bitcoin slides, and we see a deeper correction toward that K33 zone. Scenario two, the market flips the script, breaks the historical pattern, and uses this quiet as a launch pad. Either way, this calm isn't permanent. It's a coil, winding tighter every day we don't move. Here's my take. Don't mistake the quiet for weakness. It's hesitation, it's digestion, and it's exactly the kind of backdrop that precedes violent moves. When the news finally drops, whether macro or crypto-specific, this silence is going to snap, and when it does, the reaction will be fast. So, are you seeing this pause as a trap or an opportunity? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because these silent days, they're usually the ones that decide the next big chapter. That's it for today's quick take. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay sharp, because silence doesn't last long in crypto. Catch you in the next one.